This video I'm going to discuss about how to install PostgreSQL in Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. So at here let's open the terminal. Now at this place going to use sudo apt-get update. Give the password. Here it's start doing the updation. Now you can see the update part that have completed. Now here after we should use this command to download and install Postgres inside Ubuntu 20.04. Sudo apt install Postgres and this require 121 MB space in the disk. Right Y, press enter, and here you can see this is the downloading 15.3 MB file. So here that completed. Now it's downloading 13.4, and from this site, this is the site here. So here you can see fast 13.6 in 14 seconds and pre-configuring, and this is the progress status. Here doing selecting, unpacking, adding or diversion, and here setting up PostgreSQL, creating config file and removing obsolete dictionary file, fixing permission on existing directory. So this is the location here. So here 78% it's done. Now where cluster port status, this all it's 97% completed, and it will complete soon. And here setting up PostgreSQL contrib, and this is processing trigger for syst EMT, and almost installation it's completed. Now you can see after doing so many things, so installation of PostgreSQL it's done. Now next is we can use sudo -u postgre psql. Now let's paste, not this one, copy again, press enter. Now you can see here this transfer to PostgreSQL, and if you want to write any kind of query related with Postgres, you can write at this place. If I write here help, so here you get this all. You are using psql command line interface. Here copyright dot /h help SQL command. So this is for SQL command, and here psql command semicolon execution query q for quit. So if I write /h, here this is all detail, it's gone there. Alter create user, available help for create user, and you can choose whatever you like. Now here after the next is I want to see a list of all user. Okay, list of all user. So we can use backward of backward slash and here L. So here by writing this, you can see this is the owner or user Postgres, and here list of database. So there is no any password set there. So if you want to set the user PostgreSQL password. So we can use here this command alter user, and let's give the password here postgre. Now alter user postgres, so this the user present there with password postgres. After that you can use this user paste again. It's not working. Copy once again and remove. Press enter. So here the problem is we need to use this in single quote closing, single quote opening, and press enter. So here alter role that completed. So here write L. Now Postgres user, the password is now set with Postgres. So this user you can use after anywhere in the query. So when you log in you should give this. After that you can easily enter. So this is the way we can install PostgreSQL inside Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.